Hi guys, this is Ranjit, and in this video let's have a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. And as you can see, again we have that slim box over here. And guys, Samsung just sent me the Ultra as a review unit. I never got this one, so I asked Faisal Communication, and I'm happy that they just lent me out this one so that we can check it out. So here we have again that slim box, so no charger in this one. And again guys, this is the S21 Plus, not the regular S21. And again, big shout out to Faisal Communications for providing this unit. And guys, again, if you always wanted that Microsoft Surface Duo smartphone, I actually played around with this and loved it. If you really want that smartphone, it's available with Faisal Communications. I'll leave the link of his shop, etc. details in the description. Again, check that out. So let's have a look at this one. And guys, this comes in two variants in India. Both come with 8 gigabytes of RAM, but storage will be 128 and 256. The 128 variant is for 82,000 and 256 is for 86,000. And I feel you should go with the 256. I'll let you know why. But I feel the Samsung could have been a little bit more aggressive in the pricing. It should have been closer to about 75,000. Again, I'll leave the links in the description, guys. So let's open it up. I already opened the box, guys. It's not a sealed unit, but again it has all the accessories and stuff, so some stickers and stuff. So we have this in this color. One interesting thing to note is that I don't know in India why the Ultra is available only in two colors. This phantom black, yes, it looks cool, and just that silver, but the S21 and the S21 Plus are available in a lot more colors and that dual tone design, so I like it. And again, you could say lack of accessories or what, we don't get much in the box. We just get with some quick start guides and the USB cable and a SIM ejector tool. No headphones or not even a charger. This is a sad trend. Apple started it, now Samsung is following it. I don't like it, but yeah, that's what it is. They should have at least given us a headphone. That USB Type-C they used to give, that is also not there, so nothing much in the box. So here is the device itself, guys, and this is the Plus. So this is having actually a 6.7 inch screen. The Ultra is actually having a 6.8 inch screen. I'll compare both of them because I've been using the Ultra also earlier, and again, as you can see, but the big difference is that, guys, earlier if you notice, the S21 S series, the S20, etc., all actually had a quad HD screen, whereas this one is now restricted to full HD screen. It's a good quality screen, it's not like it's bad or something, guys, but I miss that we don't have a quad HD now. If you really want that quad HD, Samsung is pushing you to this Ultra, but the good thing is that now even this one has that 120 Hertz refresh rate, and again the AMOLED screen quality is good. It's the same dynamic AMOLED screen, one of the best that I would say, so that way it's nice. But let's have a physical overview. And on the top, again, on even this one, we have actually dual microphones, so that's actually nice, and the microphone pickup is actually really good on this phone. Even when you record videos and stuff, it actually records well. So we have that same thing, even the Ultra has that. And here we have the volume rocker, power on off button. Again, we have this design, they call this contour design, which the camera and this frame is sort of joined. It actually looks cool, guys. What do you guys think about the same? And bottom, we have the speaker, the USB Type-C port, and your SIM tray. Again, guys, SIM tray, no micro SD card. It's just a dual SIM nano, guys. So we are not getting any micro SD card on the new S21 series. So that's why I said, if you are sort of a user who keeps his phones for more than about 2 years, don't go with the base 128 gigabyte variant, go with the 256 gigabyte variant. And here, as you can see, we have nothing. So in terms of weight, this definitely is a lot less compared to the Ultra, because Ultra has a lot more cameras. This I recall is about 202 grams, and whereas the Ultra is closer to about 230 grams. So you do feel that weight on this one, and this definitely feels a little bit more compact in the hand and slightly not that chunky compared to the Ultra. So I like the phone in hand feel. I feel it's a good thing, but I miss the fact no quad HD. And if I go over here, let me actually show you. It's just updating some stuff. We just set it up a few minutes ago, so it's downloading some stuff, and this is also running the One UI, same thing as you can see, S21 Plus. This is also 5G, guys, and some of you were asking about 5G bands. Yes, both these Ultra and this support a lot of 5G bands, so that way you don't have to worry. I'll talk about the exact bands in my full review of the Ultra, so stay tuned for that. I have emailed Samsung. I should be getting that information, the exact bands, but they said it supports quite a few bands. If we go to the storage, guys, device care and storage, here, as I've told you, this is the 128 gigabyte variant, and as you can see, I've taken some sample shots and all those things a little bit, and already we are using about 20%, 25 gigs is used. So that's the reason I would say, if you are planning to use the smartphone for more than 2 years, better to go with that 256 gigabyte variant. I'm saddened that Samsung has removed the micro SD card. They used to always give that, so I feel that's not a good move in my frank opinion. But display quality is good, and again, as I've told you, here also we have that adaptive. That means it can go to that 120 Hertz. You don't have to worry about it. So that's actually nice. And again, all the S21 series in India come with the Exynos 2100 SoC. That's the same case even with this one. And guys, this is actually a pretty decent SoC. Unlike this, earlier Exynos 990, what we had, this is actually way better. I've been using this one for more than a week now, and it's been good. Even the fingerprint scanner has improved on these new ones. So that way I feel it's good. Let's actually test the speakers. Let me just see, YouTube should be pre-installed. Let's just fire it up and let's maximize the volume, and let's see. So ad is coming. I'll just skip that ad. Okay, it just went away like that. Yeah, so let's just continue. See, it's okay, fine. I'll just skip the ad. Hi guys, this is Ranjit, and in this video, let's have a closer look at this Galaxy Buds Pro. And what do I feel about them? This is not a full... So guys, yes, the stereo speakers are good enough. This one has slightly more depth, I would say. That's the big difference, not that much. That's what it is. And but big difference, I would say, is in the cameras if we compare with the Ultra. If you notice, the Ultra is actually having a quad camera setup at the back, but here it's triple. On this one, actually, the main camera is a 12 megapixel that's having optical image stabilization. Then we have a 64 megapixel. This is actually 3x hybrid zoom. And last, then we have the 12 again a 12 megapixel, that's ultra wide. Whereas on the Ultra, the main camera is actually 108 megapixel. Then we also have the ultra wide, and we have actually these two are actually zoom cameras, a 10x optical zoom and a 3x optical zoom. And this is not a camera, this is actually a laser sensor. So definitely the Ultra is more versatile in the camera. And even the front facing camera on the Ultra has a 44 megapixel selfie camera, whereas here we have a 10 megapixel. The camera interface is almost the same, guys, so I won't get into all that and waste your times. Again, watch the video of the Ultra. It's very similar, all the modes improved, single take and all those things. And we also have the Pro mode and even the director's view. This is a new thing that Samsung is doing. You can use the front facing and the rear also, and you can jump between them, so that way it's the same. So let me do one thing. Let me actually show you some of the sample shots that I have taken with this device. So these shots were taken outdoors, and one thing I noticed is that it's not over boosting or making the colors punchier like earlier Samsung's used to do. And as you can see, the shots actually come really good in outdoor conditions. Now moving to indoor conditions, these are shot in my office in artificial lighting, and I have to say here also it's doing actually a pretty good job. Some more samples, and this is in the portrait mode, and you can also zoom in the portrait mode. And I feel overall, even in this indoor lighting condition, it did perform very well. Now these were taken with the front facing camera, and I have to say the front facing camera performance has improved quite a bit on this S21 series compared to earlier Samsung smartphones. Recording this video with the front-facing camera of this Galaxy S21 Plus, and I noticed that even with this front-facing camera, you can record video up to 4K. And guys, let me know what do you feel about the video. Again, as you can see, this is an indoor artificial lighting, and the audio is being recorded via its internal microphone. So guys, that's it for now for the first look of this S21 Plus. And before I forget, guys, some of you have asked me, what about the back of this, the glass of this one? This is the S21 Plus. glass, guys, and both the Ultra and this one actually having a Gorilla Glass. That's Gorilla Glass Victus. Only the regular S21 is having that polycarbonate or the glass-stick kind of a back. This one is glass. Both the front and the back is actually that Gorilla Victus glass. So guys, what do you guys feel about this S21 Plus? Do let me know in the comment section below. Or do you think you should just spend a little bit extra and go for the Ultra? I would love to know your thoughts about the same. Do let me know in the comment section below. Anyways guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care guys.